For thousands of years, India has told its story through the soul of its craft. Born in villages, these stories now live in studios, workshops, and hands of a nation that never stopped creating. Now imagine a single place where all of that comes together. Rooftop began with a simple belief that creativity belongs to everyone, to be shared, discovered, and kept alive. We have traveled the heart of India, connecting master creators with a global audience. From the Shark Tank stage to global recognition, we have built a bridge between ancient heritage and modern experiences. Today, Rooftop is your gateway to original art, handmade treasures, masterclasses, and Art Wiki, India's living encyclopedia of art. Own a masterpiece, learn from a legend, or experience art in person. The world of Indian art is now just a touch away. For the makers, the collectors, and the dreamers, India's creativity has finally found its home. In a world of artificial everything, we have built a roof for creative everything. Welcome to Rooftop.